Hey guys, how are we all doing? So welcome to day 9 of our Binance challenge, Binance MXC challenge now, incorporating 3 commas, our 1 Bitcoin to 2 Bitcoin challenge. So let's see how we're doing. We'll go over to those charts. So yeah, a lot of them, if you have a look, just a glance down the list, you can see a lot of our Binance alts are selling off, which, I mean, it's an interesting dynamic that I believe we're observing, because obviously Bitcoin is on the move up, as you guys know. So quite clearly, the hot money is liquidating their altcoin positions, and then obviously moving that money into Bitcoin whilst it's been going up. So I mean, this is not necessarily happening on other exchanges with other coins. It just seems, from my observation, a Binance related one, and I would put that down to Binance being an exchange that people that yeah, just people that are a bit more not necessarily the most sophisticated traders are on, trading basically the coins that are there, like sort of for the masses, basically for Binance to like pump and dump on you all. So but yeah, not that's not a problem though, because we can still get involved in those pumps and then we can buy on those dumps. So as you can see, one of my actual favorite coins that we made a lot on, and then we sold a lot at this high, RLCI exec, that we were buying all the way down here, has had a nice pullback. This has, guys, this is a really nice pullback. If we actually look at it from, well, roughly the high up there to the low, we're talking about 35% down. So that's a good move. That is a good move to start to look to basically get a lot more of this coin. Not a financial advice. Ren, another good one, sort of at the bottom of its range, as you can see, the bottom of its level. So yeah, so another interesting one. We've got Elron. Elron did have a pullback, did have a really nice pullback, but obviously, as you can see, clearly my little green arrows told you it was a buy. And also, I'll just let you guys in on a little secret. It's not really a secret, but a secret about how we actually use this indicator. One of the ways, obviously, is to look out for these arrows to buy and sell on. As you can see, they're pretty good. But the other way is for the more macro buys. Is when this white line of this inner one crosses the bottom green line. That signals a bigger term buy, and as you can see, it triggered quite nicely there. You can see obviously the market was moving them pretty quickly here, so it didn't work that well, but obviously we were moving up and we're getting good sells at these lines as well, obviously here and here, and then obviously there. But yeah, I mean, that was a strong move that the indicator wasn't going to do that well. If we look over to something like Ren, where it's easier for us to see, so you can see we crossed above here, so we had a nice sell, and then we crossed above again around here, which wasn't quite the sell, but we were obviously getting pretty toppy there, and we came down again. We crossed the bottom here, which triggered a nice buy around here, and then we crossed the bottom again, which triggered, well, we crossed back above and back down, so triggered another buy around here. Crossed the bottom again here, triggered a nice buy around here. Didn't quite make the top, nearly made the top, but that would have been a nice sell if it did make the top. And yeah, we're roughly at the bottom of this range, coming in for another pass of this bottom. So that's just that's why you guys obviously know that I'm setting my bot up and talking about this bit, and you might be wondering what these lines are on the outside, and these are the FBB anyway, so that's what that is. Yeah, if we look at Carver, another good coin, having a nice, well, this is having a nice pullback, looking a bit like a descending triangle, but you could also draw it like a pennant. But this is at a level, just looking at it very basically a buy level. So yeah, anyway, a lot of the Binance alts are like that. Not many of them are up, but when we move on to our MXC alts, we're getting some good pumps here. BZRX, one that I piled into today, up nicely. Ocean was up nicely the other day. We had another really good one, XOR, but it's not actually, I can't actually show you the chart on TradingView, because it's not on TradingView basically. Here's another coin that I've got, actually taking profits on this coin. Look at it, guys, 62% up. Let me just show you XOR on here, and I will be able to show you XOR on Binance as well. If it's, I don't know why my computer's being so slow, guys. Maybe if I just hit enter, it can hurry up. I'm sort of like waiting for it to, oh right, it just didn't want to work then. Okay. here's this coin. Look at this coin, guys. It was up a bit more than that, 123%. But yeah, look at it skyrocketing. Yeah, I was buying this at $5 yesterday. Look at it today. So right, so let's go over to our profits and losses so far. So that was, I just worked it out before, and that's what it was. And maybe it's changed now, but we'll redo it again anyway. So if we have a look over our Binance, like I said, Binance coins are getting whacked. What I will then show you as well is how the 3 commas is handling that. But our Binance is down a little bit. So from the 0.75 we started with, we are now at 0.73784. And if we go over to MXC, just refresh this. We started MXC with 0.25, and this we only started MXC. I'll show you the first orders we put in. So so plus 0.349. So that has given us a running total of 1.08684 BTC. So not far off that 1.1, not far off basically a 10% gain in 9 days. Maybe we'll have a 10% gain in 10 days tomorrow. Maybe we'll be on 1% gain a day. Maybe, we'll see. But we are basically working on a, at the moment, we're going for 1% a day, which is pretty insane. But hey, you got to make hay whilst the sun shines. That's how it is, isn't it? You got to make hay whilst the sun shines. But yeah, let's look how long we've had MXC for. Let's have a look at my orders, will tell me. See, when I first placed an order on this brand new for YouTube MXC account, I set out historical order. Quite a lot of trades here over the past few days. It was the 7th. No, it was the 21st. So we've had this account on MXC for 3 days. And we've gone from 2.5 BTC to let me show the assets again. 2.5 BTC. Here we go. To 3. Well, it's gone down a little bit now. 3.44 BTC. Oh, that's it. One of our buys is coming down. DOS, which we bought into today, is coming down. I'll show you which one it is. It's this one here. DOS is having a little bit of a pullback. But yeah, so yeah, going pretty well. That's a pretty it's a pretty big gain, isn't it? Even if I do say so myself, from 2.5 to basically around 3.5 in 3 days. Not bad. Right, over to 3 commas. How's 3 commas helping us manage our positions? As you guys know, we set the bots up to scalp some profits off. So yeah, I mean, it's made us an extra, I say it's $47, but it's not technically $47. It's made us more coins, because we're actually taking the position out of, we're basically, the coins that we're in, if we look at my bots here, the coins that we've got positions in on Binance only, because this is only on Binance. Here is all the coins: Ren RLC, Elrond, Carver, SNX, KNC, all these coins. It's set to take to sell some of those coins into USDT when we hit the top of our ranges. So like if we look at this Ren one on Ren, it actually sold some coins for us up here, and then obviously it came down pretty nicely. If we have a look on RLC, it sold some of the coins for us up here. And then that came down pretty nicely. So he's got us some more coins. It got us some sells in. Obviously our overall position has come down, but we sold some of it on these highs up, and then got out and added it basically back again lower. So 3 commas is doing its job, like basically making us not lose as much when the coins go down. And so yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. I'm actually looking at increasing and changing the bots, changing the settings to actually sell more. Because it's only taking profits. We can take more than 25% profits in each go if we want. You don't lose money taking profits, so it's not like we're actually taking an outright position. We're just moving out the coin back into cash. So if I had increased the size of that, it would have considerably impacted this, and we probably still would actually be up on this account, just because we wouldn't be holding as much of basically all the bags whilst they were actually going down. So yeah, that's what we are looking at there. There's the update. So not going too bad. We'll see how we get on after the weekend. But yeah, MXC is the winner. MXC is the winner, obviously. responsible for a lot of our gains. So yeah, so thanks for listening, guys. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. Yeah, if you guys want to know what coins we've got, I'll just have a quick flick through for you. So we've got Polkadot, Chainx, Edgeware, Anchor Network, BZX Protocol and DDoS. They're the ones that we are in at the moment. Obviously, we traded in and out of Kusama for big gains. We traded in and out of XOR, Sora for big gains. In Binance, we have got Ren, Elrond, iExec, Tezos, Kyber Network, 0x, Cosmos, Carver, Engine Coin, Synthetics, AVE, MCO, Decentraland, and the rest of them are just liquidity coins. These aren't actually part of our altcoin portfolio. So yeah, thanks for listening, guys. Again, yeah, not a financial advice. Always do your own research, and I will catch you guys on the next one.